Good afternoon, class. How are y'all doing today? Great, good job. So for today, we're going to be learning about the four shapes: triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. We're going to be learning how to identify them within our world around us and inside our classroom and in our cars, everything like that. So I'm going to start out with showing you guys the shapes song, and if you want, and I want y'all to pay really close attention because I'm going to ask you some questions about this video. So pay attention. Okay, let's go back. Let's see. Let's go back to right here. We're going to go right here. Now, can y'all tell me what shape is in the magnifying glass? Yes, it is a circle. Good job. What about, say, here? What shape is the truck? It's the back of the truck, the very back of the truck. Would you say a square or a rectangle? Yes, it is a rectangle. What about the wheels of the truck? What is that? Yes, it is a circle. Okay, let's look at, let me find it. Let's see. What about the chair? What shape is the seat of this chair? It is a square. Good job, guys. Okay. Okay, can I have everybody, I need everyone to come sit on your spot in the center of the classroom like we always do, please. Okay. Now, I'm going to show y'all, and I'm going to show y'all some pictures of the shapes, and I'm going to ask you some questions. What shape is this? It is a triangle. How many sides does it have? Yes, it does have 3. Can you tell me how many corners do you see in this? There's 1, 2, and 3. There is 3 corners. Good job. And can anyone, you gotta raise your hand, remember. Can anyone show me anything or tell me anything that is a triangle in this classroom? Yes, ma'am? Yes, good job. We do have a big old triangle sitting right there in the corner of the classroom. Anybody else? Yes, sir. Yes, good job. Y'all did a great job identifying them. All right, let's go do our next one. What shape is this? It is a rectangle. How many sides does a rectangle have? Yes, there is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners does a rectangle have? Yes, 4. Good job. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is a great job. Can anybody tell me anything that's in this classroom? That is a rectangle. Yes, ma'am? Yes, our big mirror on our door is a rectangle. It's a big old rectangle. Can anybody else tell me anything? Yes, sir. Our American flag. Good job. That is a rectangle. Okay, let's move on to our next one, which is, what is this? It's a circle. Good job. Now, does a circle have any sides? No, it doesn't have any sides. Good job. And does it have any corners? Any corners? No, it does not. Good job. Now, can you tell me why you think there's no sides or corners on this? Yes, sir. Yes, it's because it's a big round circle. It goes around. It doesn't make lines, nothing like that. It goes around. And now, can anyone identify anything in this room that is a circle? Yes, ma'am. Yes, our globe that shows our world. Yes, that is a circle. It's a big old circle. Can anyone else identify anything? Yes, ma'am. Yes, our buckets that we sit on, they are in a circle. That is a good job. All right. Now let's see. What about this one? What is this one? Can anyone identify this one? Yes, it is a square. Good job. Now, how many sides does a square have? Yes, it has 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, how many corners does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now, a square is like a rectangle, except a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and a square has all equal sides. That's how you can identify them. Now, can anyone tell me anything in our room that's a square? Yes, ma'am. That is true. Our seats on our floor is made into squares. Good job. That's a great thing. Great job. Anyone else? Yes, the sign. Oh yeah, look, the sign on our wall is a square. Good job. Y'all did a great job with that. Okay, now that we have identified our 4 shapes and are able to understand what they are, we're going to play bingo. It's our color shape bingo. Now I need the boys first to get up and go to your seat quietly, please. And then I need the girls to go right after them and go sit down at your seat quietly. Okay, so I am going to pass out these bingo cards. They are all different colors. You see our triangle is purple, our square is blue, then we have a pink circle and a purple square. So I'm going to pass each of these out to y'all. And then let's see, first off, does anybody know what bingo is? Okay, so pretty much of the game, I will call out a shape and the color of the shape. And what you'll do is if you have that shape and that same color, if I say red triangle, and you have a red triangle, what you're going to do is, my counters are going to be coins, that's all I have right now. What you're going to do is, if you have a red triangle, you're going to get your counter that I'm going to pass out to you, and you're going to put it right on the card that I called out. And what you're going to do is, if you have 2 in a row, you get a bingo. It has to be straight down, straight across, or it can be in a slant. What I'm talking about is, you have one counter right here. And then if I say purple square, you have one right there. So that's a slant. That will be a bingo as well. And you can also get a bingo if you get all 4 in a row. That's a big bingo. Okay, so everybody is going to get their bingo cards, and then we're ready. Okay, everybody has their bingo cards and their counters. Now I will call out each of them, and you will tell me. And what I want you to do is, when you have a bingo, raise your hand and you tell me you have a bingo, and then I will come over there and check your work. Okay? We have a pink circle. Okay. Now I want you to put your hand on your desk whenever you got your counter on your card, or if you don't have it, just put your hand on your desk. Okay, and now we have blue square. Okay, and y'all did a great job with the bingo today. So now y'all are going to get to make robots out of the shapes that we have learned today. Awesome. Now I need everyone quiet so I can pass them out. Y'all did. Now let's make sure we all remember what the shapes are. What shape is this again? It's a square. Good job. Can anybody tell me what shape this is? Hold on, I got it all crooked here. Yes, it is a triangle. Okay, now what shape is this? Rectangle. Good job. Now our last shape. What shape is that? It is a circle. Good job. And our square. How many sides does it have? 4. And how many corners? 4. Good job. What about our triangle? How many sides does it have? 3. Good job. And how many corners? 3. Good job. What about our rectangle? Yes, 4 sides and 4 corners, just like our square, just has two long sides and 2 short sides. And what about our circle? Yes, no sides and no corners. Good job, guys. Y'all did a great job today.